Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Dr. Clara, and in today's lesson, I will be talking about dental emergencies. Just a reminder that all the information that is bolded and highlighted in blue is something I've really seen on these sort of exams, so try to remember those. Let's get going. Emergencies or emergent states are something you should be able to recognize and know how to treat if it ever happens to you while working on a patient. Now, I hope you will never encounter most of these, but in case you do, it is paramount that you know how to react to ensure your patient's safety. Now, some of these are actual life-threatening situations, so please pay attention. As a general rule, there are 5 steps in any emergency that might occur. First, you should stop treatment, meaning that stop whatever it is you're doing. Next, position the patient. Now, this is